Hi everybody. Today you have to do these problems. Uh, the question is, find the values of m for which the following equations have equal roots. The following equations have equal roots. All of you know the quadratic equation in general form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and this equation has two types of roots. They are real and complex roots. Real if delta is greater than 0, complex if delta is less than 0. And you have another case called real and equal. In this real and equal case, delta is equal to 0. So according to our question, find the values of m for which the following equations have equal roots. That means I have to find the discriminant of the given quadratic equation and equate that discriminant to 0. Okay. Now here the given question is x square minus 15 minus m into 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now this is not in the standard form, because in the standard form you have first x square term, then x term, and then the constant term. So first you have to change this equation into standard form. So x square minus 15 minus m into 2x is minus 2mx minus into minus plus 8m equal to 0. So standard form is x square, then x term, then the constant term. So here you can observe x square term, the next term is minus 2mx, and your constants 8m. Even though m is there, 8m is a constant term, and minus 15 is also a constant. It is a number. So 8m minus 15 equal to 0. This is a number, and m value is what we are going to find. Okay, so this is in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2m, and c equal to 8m minus 15. Given roots are equal, that means delta equal to 0. Discriminant delta equal to 0. Delta formula is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Substitute. B is minus 2m whole square minus 4 into 1 into c is 8m minus 15 equal to 0. Minus 2m whole square is 4m square. 4 into m, 4 into 1 is 4 into 8m minus 15 equal to 0. In these two terms you can observe 4 is common. So we are dividing this equation with 4. We get m square minus of 8m minus 15 equal to 0. Opening the bracket, we are multiplying with the minus sign. So minus 8m minus into minus plus 15 equal to 0. So factorize this equation. Coefficient of this is also a quadratic equation in m. So we are factorizing this equation. Coefficient of m square is 1. Constant term is 15. So 1 into 15 is 15. Factors for 15 are 3 into 5 or 5 into 3. You can take however you want. I want minus 8. So I am giving a minus sign to these two numbers. Minus 3 minus 5 will give you minus 8. But minus 3 into minus 5 is giving you plus 15. So m square minus 3m minus 5m plus 15 equal to 0. We are taking m common. So m into m minus 3 from the first two terms, minus from the next two terms I am taking minus 5 common. So here only m is left. Taken minus sign, so plus will change to minus. 5 into 3 will give me 15 equal to 0. So m minus 3 into m minus 5 equal to 0. So m equal to 3 or m equal to 5. So solution set of values of m is m equal to 3, or 5.